battlefield with deadly results. But in World War II, fire in the form of incendiary bombs reached a new level of lethality by literally transforming cities into hell on earth.
Colonel Sherman gave us the aphorism, war is hell. But it wasn't until decades after his death that war reached levels of hell he could not begin to fathom.
In the Second World War, Air Force commanders had a wide range of specialized bombs at their disposal. However, if the strategic goal was to destroy an entire city, the preferred bomb was the incendiary.
An incendiary bomb typically is composed of a lot of very small devices weighing only a few pounds. They're designed to start a fire, and more importantly, to start a fire that turns into a much bigger fire.
The World War II incendiary bomb resembled a long stick filled with fuel, which was weighted down at one end to provide somewhat accurate delivery. The bomb was either dropped as a single projectile or packed inside a casing, which would break apart before impact, producing hundreds of incendiary sticks in a cluster. Upon impact, the heat-producing chemical activated the incendiary fuel. One large bomber could carry over 3,000 4-pound incendiary sticks, capable of starting thousands of fires. Under ideal conditions, these fires would join together and create a firestorm. In the early months of 1945, Nazi Germany was on the verge of collapse. Russian troops coming from the east, coupled with their allies coming from the west, planned to squeeze Germany into submission.
However, the Germans have just launched the Ardennes offensive, which shocked the socks off of all the Allied leaders. It was that shock which prompted the chains of bombing campaigns, particularly the one that went to Dresden.
Britain had two strategic goals in attacking the city of Dresden, Germany. One was to aid the Russian invasion by disarming the city's communications. The second was to destroy German morale by killing large numbers of civilians.
The British shifted fundamentally to a policy of what they call area or morale bombing.